So I'm on my way to a trail this morning. I would say hiking, but baby, we don't got no mountains out here, so it's not hiking, it's going on a trail. But the trail is like, I think like 45 minutes away from me, so we're gonna be on here for a little drive, but that's Florida for you. So I'm gonna go stop and go get an acai bowl because I didn't eat no breakfast, and my body, when I don't eat no breakfast, starts to break down. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. See, she's purple on the inside, y'all. I don't wanna drop it. But I like it with peanut butter too. It's not that bad with peanut butter, but oh, and it also comes with honey, I forgot. Right. Some left. In one. The kingdom yours is the power, yours is the glory forever. Amen. It was all working for my good. I see it now. If only I knew back then what I know right now. Oh, nothing is worse than keep your hands. God, you didn't forsake.
You ever grow anything in the garden of your mind? You can grow ideas in your mind. You can think about things and make believe things. All you have to do is think about them, and they'll grow.
And I was like, oh, that's how far it is from us. Not how far it is total. But I ain't gonna cap though, this is good walk. You prepare for the walk, you'll be alright.
We are 1 mile in, and I never went on a trail out here in Florida. But baby, we 1 mile in, baby. I feel like we was walking for like 30 minutes. Okay? But it's not that bad. I mean, I'm hot already, so probably shouldn't have worn this. I only wore this because I don't want no bugs biting me. So that's the only reason why I wore this. But I like this trail. This is a really cute trail. We saw an alligator. Maybe I had to dip out. I had to dip out real quick because I'm like, I'm not trying to get got. And now we at like this little boardwalk, and my coworkers is over there fishing. Some real Florida stuff out here going on. But yeah, man, it's actually good. It's very relaxing out here. Yeah, I'm really just enjoying the scenery. I'll probably come back here like by myself one day. I'm surprised my edges is not already curling up. But yeah, man, I'm enjoying myself, and just enjoy the rest of these clips. 4.5 miles. And I'm dying.
I want to hear nothing till 7 o'clock
I
in
am
the morning.
really dying. They showed me until lose weight.
Whoa.
Going up hills, over tree stumps.
Hello?
Get back to y'all when I have more breath so I can talk and tell you how this went. 'Cause baby, I'm jumping, leaping,
I ain't running. I just ain't
hiking,
7 miles till we
all
got
of the above. So,
You have wonderful ideas.
for real.
All you have to
It's
do is
really
think
just
about
those
them.
trees. Those tree stumps and stuff like that. That's what really gets you, because then you get over here popping, locking, and dropping it. See, if it was like this the whole time, I would have been straight. I just got home and it is 7:31, and I just got home from the trail. Okay, let's debrief, because that trail was 7 miles. I was not expecting. I thought it was gonna be like a cute little 2-mile trail, you know. Baby, when we got on the 5th mile, I was starting to feel it, like real bad, and it was treacherous, but it was a good experience. I like being out in the nature and seeing the trees and all that other stuff, but I was just not prepared for that 7 miles. My hip was starting to hurt. I was like, hey, my hip never hurt, baby. But it's okay. We got through it. Got something to eat with my coworkers after, and yeah, so now I'm back home, y'all. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I gotta go.